Hey YouTube, what is going on? Just a quick one today, just to show you what we've done to the Silverado today. Another little update that made me like it a little bit more today. So what we did was we went and got the front two windows tinted. We stayed legal, so I guess this video will also help you see on a black Silverado. Mine's a 2016 for any of you guys that haven't seen my previous videos, but you'll be able to see with the 35% tint on the front two windows how it compares to the 20% that's on the back crew cab windows. Okay guys, want to give a huge shout out to Boston Audio Design in Quincy, Massachusetts. They did a great job and they are wicked friendly inside, and they get you in and out so quickly. When I sat down on the couch, I was actually a half hour early too for a 3:30 appointment, and they actually cut me in right away. And then they pull the truck in, and one guy does one side, one guy does the other side, and I think literally 20 minutes later I was done. Now, so I stuck with the 35% so I could stay legal, so you can see the difference between the crew cab window and the front window now. You know, previous trucks I had gone with the 20% all the way around, and then you're always, every time inspection time comes, you're always like kind of nervous about it, and you're like, oh, do I tell them? Do I see what happens? You know, what do I do? I'm kind of sick of having those like worries and everything like that. And you can see at certain angles on the truck. I mean, this is an overcast day, so I might have to show you on a sunny day too to see how that looks. And it's at a distance, and then at certain angles, like I said, the black truck with black leather interior, almost the windows almost look like they match it sometimes. And I'm sure, obviously, the later it gets, the more it'll look like it matches. You know, the only times you really actually notice a lot is when you're standing right at the side of the truck, so you have the light from the other window shining through, or the light from the front shining through that window. But overall, I think they look great. It's a lot better than the non-tint, you know, that it comes stock. But anyways, that's it. I'm gonna really wrap it up right there. I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Boston Audio Design. I'll definitely be going back there again. I actually talked to them today about tinting the tail lights and the headlights and the marker lights, so we might check into that. I've also actually purchased carbon fiber 3M wrap to do my Chevy logos. I'm going to attempt it, and then I'm going to see what happens, because basically you can buy a small roll of wrap for like 10 bucks versus paying like 60 bucks for aftermarket emblems. So we'll see how that goes. But anyways, like I said, I talked to them about the tinting the tail lights and the front headlights, so they might see me back soon. But anyways, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of before and after, so you can see the quick comparison. Hey, you stuck around. Nice. Here are the before and after pictures. So here's the before, and here's the after.
You're my latest, but you ain't my last, but you ain't my last.